Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Fixing Expert. Today, we're about to embark on a journey into the world of red carpets, an enchanting realm of elegance, luxury, and pure glamour. Whether you're hosting a grand event, planning a lavish wedding, or simply seeking to enhance your living space, this guide is your ticket to rolling out the red carpet of your dreams. Let's dive deep into what makes red carpets so extraordinary. Elegance and glamour. Red carpets are the epitome of elegance and glamour. They effortlessly transform any setting into a scene straight out of Hollywood. Imagine the allure of making a grand entrance at your special event. Luxurious appearance. The deep, regal red color is synonymous with opulence. The velvety texture exudes luxury and is an absolute delight underfoot, creating an atmosphere of sheer indulgence. Stain resistance. Red carpets are often crafted from not only sumptuous but also stain-resistant materials. This means you can enjoy the rich beauty without worrying about accidental spills or mishaps. Durability and longevity. Red carpets are designed to withstand the test of time and high foot traffic. They maintain their pristine appearance even after numerous events, making them a long-term investment in luxury. Roll-out red carpet, the classic choice for momentous entrances. Roll-out red carpets are perfect for special occasions, award ceremonies, or any event where you want to make a grand statement. Red carpet runners. Runners are a versatile option, perfect for defining pathways at weddings, fashion shows, or any event that requires that special touch of sophistication. Indoor and outdoor red carpets. You can select red carpets suited for both indoor and outdoor use, allowing you to bring that red carpet elegance to any space, no matter the location. Roll-out carpets. For roll-out red carpets, simply unroll them at your desired location. They come in various lengths to suit your needs. Red carpet runners. Red carpet runners can be easily laid out and secured with tape or adhesive for temporary installations, ensuring that every step your guests take is in style. Versatility. While traditional carpets offer comfort and warmth, red carpets are all about making a bold statement. They are the choice for creating unforgettable moments. Color. While most carpets come in neutral shades, red carpets set themselves apart with their vibrant, intense red color that signifies prestige and luxury. Enhanced aesthetics. They add a touch of sophistication and style to any event or living space, immediately elevating the ambience. Memorable moments. Red carpets have been the backdrop for countless unforgettable moments, from celebrity entrances to wedding ceremonies. Photogenic appeal. They create the perfect backdrop for photographs, enhancing the visual appeal of any event and making your cherished memories even more glamorous. Lasting impressions. Red carpets leave an indelible impression on your guests, setting the stage for a remarkable experience that they will fondly remember. So, there you have it, the ultimate guide to red carpets. Whether you're preparing for a grand event, celebrating a special occasion, or just yearning for a touch of luxury in your life, red carpets are the answer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enchanting content. Until next time, keep rolling out the red carpet of your dreams.